Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back again. And actually, I'm getting you ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. That's right, guys. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Want to give a shout out to everyone who have registered already and booked your room. We are this close to selling out. So I've been saying for months. So when we sell out, guys, I'm telling you, don't come to me and say, Linda, I'm not gonna feel bad saying I'm sorry. Guys, we are so close. So you better call your friend if she's not registered because she's gonna be on the wait list. So when we sell out, still go like you're gonna register to get on the wait list, guys. That's all I can do. So our playlist is out and it's been out since November. The partial playlist for NOLA Southern Experience, that is. I have the beginners and I have the intermediate. And I've linked the instructional or the demos. So I'm trying to do as many instructional as possible. So instructors, you can refer to that because we're gonna be dancing all night. This dance is a classic. It's called Frame. It's a two-wall dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. Also, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you want to view the playlist, go to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Scroll down to the bottom, and I'll be adding on. Like I said, it's partial. So I'll be adding on probably in March, okay? So go ahead and refer back to that page in March. Let's go. So let's start on this wall right here. Stand on this side. This dance is going to start on the left, and it's going to move, this part is going to move you up, okay? So you're going to go up. You kick left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, okay? So you kick up. Kick left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, right, okay? And of course you pick it up, the tempo is pretty fast. Kick left, right, left, kick right, left, right, kick left, right, left, kick right, left, right. So let me show you with the tempo. 5, 6, 7, 10. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now, so we moved up. So you started on the left, right. Then you're going to come back with 4 knees. Starting on the left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So come down with 8 knees, I'm sorry. Come back with 8 knees. So you move up for 4 and you come back for 8. So it's just with the knees, move it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's put that together. 2 things, we move up and then we come back. 5, 6, 7, kick left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 8 knees, okay? Now, when the right knee comes down, go roll down. 1, 2, 3, 4, come back. Come up, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go down on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we roll down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. 7, tap on 8, which is the right. Let me show you how that looks from this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now let's put that together. So we're doing 3 things so far. We moving up for 4, we coming back for 8, we staying in place, roll down for 4, roll up for 8, switch to the left, so to the right side, then to the left. Then we tap on the right. Let's take it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Okay, moving on. So that tap on the right is important because we're going to step touch. 1, 2, 3, brush 4, make a half turn. All right, so step, tap, step, scuff, moving, turning forward. The right shoulder go forward. Half turn. And we're going to keep doing that, going around. So this is, let me show you what we're going to do. So we step touch into the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're coming back where we came from, which is this front wall where our right heel is up. So we step to the right, touch on the left. Step left, we brush the floor and go make a half turn. We step on the right again, tap on the left, step left, go forward with that shoulder come forward, brush the floor and make a half turn. And keep repeating that process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, brush 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do 2 counts of 8. Okay? So let's add that. Let's go back to the top. We're moving up for 4 on the left. We're moving back. The left knee coming back 8 times. We go down on the right 4 times. Roll back up 4 count. Go down on the left for 4. Roll up. Step on 7 and tap on 8, which is the right. And then we do that step, touch, step, half turn, step, touch, step, brush, half turn. We're going to do 2 counts of 8, okay? Let's take it slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I just did? So when I came back, instead of stopping with the step touch with the brush, I went right around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm kind of transferring my weight from right to left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, tap, left. So I did a half turn with my right shoulder coming forward. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, tap, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And I came back here. So this is how I get to my next wall. So I went right, left, right, left, right, left, right, tap, left. Now I'm at this wall, so I'm gonna make a full turn with my left shoulder coming forward. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And I'm here. Okay? So let's put it to account. Okay? So right shoulder coming forward, making half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first one is a half turn. You're going to kind of take your time because you're making half turn. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap on left. Then you go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and then right. This is how you get to your second wall. turn, then a full turn. Right shoulder come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Left shoulder come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last step is going to be on your right because you're going to kick on that left. So let's put it together. 5, let's take it slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? And this ball right here. So let's do that this wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Knee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? And that's it. 2 wall dance. It's a workout. It's called Frame. I would say it's a classic because it's at least 10 years old. Okay? Remember at the end, I'm going to put the demo so we can dance along. Okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. If you're coming, go ahead and get registered. We're at the end of selling out. The wait list will be available. But I can tell you, not that many people give up their registration. So try to get your registration in as soon as possible. And if somebody said, well, do I do my registration first or my room? Your registration. Do your registration, because once we're out, we're out. The room, you can get a room, okay? All right, guys, watch the demo at the end. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Always like the video, okay? Remember, I'm going to be posting those line dances that we're going to be doing at the NOLA Southern Experience. We're getting ready, guys. My committee have been meeting. We are getting ready for the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024, this year in New Orleans. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.